Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your financial future with Ameritrade easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin protecting your financial future with Ameritrade, start by visiting the Ameritrade website. Click on the Open an Account button prominently displayed on the homepage. Choose the type of account you want to open, such as an individual investment account or a retirement account. Fill out the necessary personal information in the online application form. Provide details such as your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Verify your identity as required by financial regulations. Select your investment objectives and risk tolerance. Review the account features that Ameritrade offers. Once your application is completed, submit it for review. Wait for a confirmation email indicating your account has been set up. Log in to your newly created account using your credentials. Familiarize yourself with the platform's layout and tools. Explore educational resources available through Ameritrade to enhance your investment knowledge. Consider setting up automatic fund transfers from your bank to your Ameritrade account. Research various investment options such as ETFs, mutual funds, and stocks. Analyze potential investments by utilizing Ameritrade's research tools and online calculators. Monitor market trends and news to stay informed about your investments. Regularly review your portfolio performance and adjust your strategy as needed. Engage with Ameritrade's customer support if you have any questions or need assistance. Continue your financial education by participating in webinars or reading articles provided by Ameritrade. Utilize all available resources to make informed investment decisions and protect your financial future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.